Assalamualaikum students. Yesterday we dealt with air and of articles, and today we will deal with the uses of the. Okay, now let's start off with number one rule. When we refer to a person or a thing the second time, we use the to it. Like if I'm talking about, let's cite example from this book itself. A strange girl came to our house the other day. The girl was crying. So I'm talking about a strange girl. It was not, that girl was not specific when I talked about in the first sentence. When I talked about that girl in the second sentence, it becomes specific, right? A strange girl, it became specific. That strange girl becomes specific in the second sentence, so we are using the to it. Next, it can be a thing, it can be a place, it can be anything. He lives in a remote village. The village is surrounded by hills. Okay, so he lives in a remote village. Remote village, in the first sentence, it was not particular, it was just a strange village. Now in the second sentence, we got familiar with the village and we are using the to the village to make it specific that we are talking about that remote village where he lives. Second rule, when we talk about the person in particular, like if you're talking about a person or thing in particular, yesterday also I have explained to you, if you talk about the person in particular sense, we use the to it. Like let's cite example, the teacher wrote some adjectives on the blackboard. I'm talking about the teacher who wrote the adjectives on the blackboard, so we are using the. I'm talking about the particular teacher or the specific person. Next, number 3, to refer to someone or something in specific. Like the man in the blue shirt is my uncle. So I'm talking about the man who is wearing blue shirt is my uncle, not not anyone or any person who's standing over there. Yesterday also I cited one example, like the boy who is standing over there is my brother. I was talking about that particular boy who was standing over there. So likewise here, the man who was wearing blue shirt is my uncle. In this sentence, the man is a specific sense. So to make the word specific, we use the to it. Like the blue pen is Ravi's, the red one is Nature's. So I'm talking about the blue pen. The blue pen, to specify the pen which is blue is Ravi's, we are using the to it. Next, number 4, in front of a noun we use the. If it can be in general sense as well. If it's not in particular, it can be in general sense, we use the. Like the tiger is a dangerous animal. Tiger, it can be any tiger, but to specify that tiger is the dangerous animal, we use the to it. Here we are not using the, like tiger and motorbike. There can be thousands and millions of tigers and thousands and millions of motorbikes in the world, but to specify that the tiger is a dangerous animal or that the motorbike has become a popular vehicle, to specify the popularity of the motorbike or the popularity or the dangerousness of the tiger, we are using the to it. But we are not talking about the particular motorbike or not talking about the particular or the specific tiger. Next, number 5 rule is to describe a group of people. It cannot be a noun as well. It can be adjective. We use the. Like the injured were taken to a hospital. We are talking about the total quantity of the injured person. We are talking about the whole injured person who was taken to the hospital, not a single person or a single noun. The sick get no medical care. The sick. We're not talking about a particular person who is sick. We're talking about the whole. So before adjective to describe a group of people, we use the to it. And the most important thing, number 6 point, when we speak about Earth, the moon, the sun, and the planet in our solar system, we use the. Is it clear to you all this till this much? Like the moon is the Earth's only satellite, or anything which is universally truth, we use the to it. Like the Earth revolves around the sun, it is a universal truth, we use the. Next, number 7, for titles. Like the Prime Minister, the President, all these things. For all these titles we use the. Next, before the name of some mountain ranges, rivers, deserts, seas, and a group of islands, like we say the Mount Everest, not Mount Everest. Mount Everest is a single mountain in the world, is the highest peak, so we use the to it to specify the highness of the Everest. Next, Ganga is the largest river of India, so we use to denote the largestness of the Ganga river, we use that to it. Like here there are some examples: the Alps, the Narmada, the Indian Ocean, the West Indies. West Indies is a group of islands. Clear? Next, before some famous buildings we use the to it, like the Great Wall of China, the Taj Mahal, the pyramid, the Lotus Temple, the pyramids, the Taj Mahal, the Great Wall of China, all these are famous buildings. We use the to it. There are no second Great Wall of China, Taj Mahal, pyramids, or Lotus Temple. So we use the before all these famous buildings to specify their importance. Next, we use the before great books of religion or any literature book, like the Gita, the Quran, the Bible. Next, before the names of some family names always comes in plurals, like the Guptas, the Nehrus, or the Joshis. If your family's title is Khan, so we are using the Khans, right? Khans means all the members in your family. Next, before the name of the countries which include the words like Union, Republic, Kingdom, and States, like United States of America. It is included in the United States of America. We are using the to it. Kingdom, United Kingdom, the Republic of Ireland. Now we don't use the before Bangladesh. We don't use the before India. Just the countries which have Union, Republic, or Kingdom or States in their names, we use the before it. Next, now before the plural names of the countries, if we have any S countries which are ending with S, we use the to it. Okay, I hope you all have understood the importance or the uses of the. Now I'm going to tell you some secret how to pronounce the. Some of us pronounce the and some of us pronounce the without knowing the rule where to pronounce the and where to pronounce the. See, if we have a vowel sound, like we have ice cream, it's starting with I, right? So we will say the ice cream, not the ice cream. If ocean is starting with a vowel sound, we will use the to it, the ocean. Clear? We will not say the to it. And if we say man is not a vowel, so we will say the man, not the man. Clear? I hope you have understood the pronunciation of the, where to use the and where to pronounce the. So we will pronounce the in front of vowels and we will pronounce the in front of consonant. I hope everything is clear and you have enjoyed watching the video. Bye bye.